Hi friends, welcome to Nistala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show a recipe that enhances every dish you make at home. And recreating restaurant style dishes at home becomes much easier if you have this. You must have understood by now, right? Yes, today I'm going to show you how to make perfect brown onions at home. Here I have taken approximately 1 kg onions and I have peeled them. See, after peeling them, I am just cutting them into two parts and I am keeping them ready to begin the process. See, I am just cutting all these onions into two halves. And now I'll show you how we have to cut these. We can definitely use knife to cut all these onions. However, when we use knife, all the onions will not come in the same size. So we have to use such kind of grater. Use the one that has bigger holes so that all our onions will be in the same size. See, I am taking an onion piece and I am grating it from one corner. In case if the onion comes till the end, do leave it off because you may hurt your finger while you are grating these. You can use those onion pieces for any dish that you make at home. See, I have grated all my 1 kg onions the same way. Now, next step is to remove water from these onion pieces. Now, it will make our life much easier if we remove this water. If not, it will take too long to fry and also it will absorb a lot of oil. See, press it with both the hands and remove entire water that is there in this onion. And do not waste this water. The onion water is very, very good for hair. You can use it as a hair pack, so it prevents hair fall. It has many other health benefits. There is a small short uploaded in our video. I'll put the link in the description. Do watch that short as well. See, I have collected almost one big cup of onion juice. Now we can consider our work is half done. After removing the water from onions, they will be dry and they will fry very quickly in oil, and also they absorb less oil also while frying. Do not forget to use this onion juice as a hair pack. Do save it and use it. Take a deep bottomed pan and pour oil into it. Once the oil is hot, we will fry these onions batch wise. First, we will add a little batch of onions and we will fry them. This entire process must happen in medium flame only. And one important thing that you have to remember while frying these onions is do this when you are free at home, because this entire process you have to be near the stove, you have to keep stirring the onions and you have to fry. In case if you are doing two things at a time, we will definitely burn our onions. So be very careful while you do that. Now I am removing my first batch of onions. See, the texture, the end color that you see for my fried onions was different and this is different because while you are removing onions from oil, the onions will be still hot and they would have a little amount of hot oil to it. So outside, after you remove them from the stove, they will take that particular color. So when you are removing it, it should be in light golden color. So when they are in this color, you have to remove it. Fry all your onions in the same way, batch by batch, and do not overload the pan by adding a lot of onions at the same time. Take little quantities and add them. See, this color is different because after the onions are removed from the oil, you will get this perfect color. Now, after you remove them and take them into the bowl, just mix these onions with your hand like how I showed you. Now, these will stay good for around 2 to 3 months and they are very handy while you go inside the kitchen. If you want to make any non-vegetarian curry or in fact a veg gravy curry, just add a handful of them and then your tasty dish is ready. I hope you will definitely try this way of making brown onions, and if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members, and do not forget to leave the comment how your brown onions turned out to be. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Nistala's Kitchen. Bye everyone.